Hi, suppose we have a lamp. This will be our lamp, and this will be the battery that is connected to the lamp. And now the light is lighting up. Now if we have a situation that we want to light a lamp from two different locations, so we will need to build a circuit for it with two switches. But first let's talk about this switch. Okay, so this switch is called SPDT, which is single pole double throw. This is the pole. We have single input and double throw because we have two outputs. Now this switch has two connection. This one is called normally close because if I will measure from this point from 1 to 2 and I'm not doing anything, so it is conductive and the current is going through. And now if I'm pressing the button in this switch, so now I will get the normally close is now open because I've pushed or rotate or whatever, and the normally close will be if it is pressed not connected, and I will have now flow from contact number 1 to 3. Okay, so the way to build and lighting a lamp from two different locations is going like this. We have actually two options. One is better and I will explain why. So this is the phase. This is the zero. Please be aware that if you are doing it, you have to disconnect electricity power off before doing any things with electrical that can kill you, electrical voltage that can kill you. Okay, so here it is the lamp, and the other side of the lamp is going to SPDT switch and to phase and to zero. Now if you can see, in the way it is like this, the light will not lamp because the current can flow. Now if we will press this button, so the switch will move to this way, this will be deleted. Okay, and now there is a flow and the light lamp. And if we will do a press here when it is off, so the current can flow from 0 to 0, so it will be off. So this way we can control the lamp from two different locations. Now this is not very recommended because there is other way to do it which is better, and the reason is that in the other way the fixed size, because in this way each side of the lamp can get or phase or zero. So basically the outside of the lamp can get phase, and if it is not connected you can electrify it yourself, and this is not a good situation. And now let's talk about the other way to do. So the other way is to connect phase. Again we will use same switches which are SPDT, and now it will be crossed to another switch. Of course here it is not connected, this wire is going up above the wire of the other switch, and now we have here the second switch which will go like this to the lamp, and the lamp will go to 0. Okay, so we can see that in this situation the light is not lighting because the phase is going here, 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 and here it is disconnected, and this wire is connected to 0 and nothing on the other side. Now if we will push this side, we will see that now we have a flow from 0 to phase and the light is on. And if the light now is on and we will move this side down, so now it is disconnected from the lamp, so we can control this way the lamp. Now let's say we want to do controlling a lamp now from 3 different or 4 different or 5 different locations. This can be done easily. Now I will explain. This is similar. So we will connect the phase and then we will go to SPDT, and now before I'm connecting the other side, let's go to the other side. I will explain why. This was the other switch that connected directly to the lamp and to 0. Okay, now what we will do between these switches, we'll connect another switch, and I will explain what is this switch. This is something different. Okay, so this switch okay, so this is one switch, this is the second, and this is the third. This is something that is called intermediate or something like this switch. So what this switch is doing, it is marked like this. So we have here something that is called L1, and the other side is called L2 and L2. So this switch is going like this, or it can connect between both sides. This is one way, and now if we are pressing it, so the same switch is doing this, and this connecting L1 and L2 in a crossway. So if it is crossed, so basically we can connect any number of switches between switch 1 and switch 2, and each one of those will connect and disconnect the light. Okay, so I will do something with relay in order to explain it. I will build a circuit and will show how it is working. What I will do is do exactly the same. I will use something that is called relay, and the relay will be controlled by my switch. Okay, so this will be connected to VCC, and if I will press the switch, the relay will have exactly the SPDT, and I will connect 2 relays. Why I'm doing it? Because relay enable me to send to my lamp a higher current than a regular switch. Okay, so I will build a circuit like this. So what I will do here is exactly what we are seeing here. So I will have here my SPDT. We'll connect this here and this to this side, this one to VCC, and this one to the lamp and to GND. This will enable me to do exactly the same, controlling the switch with both relays. Of course, the relay is everything that we see here is the relay. This is one relay. This will be the second relay. Relay have the contact from the coil 1, coil 2. Each one of them have coil 1 and coil 2. And the other connection are the switch. This is something that is called common. This is the normally closed, and this is the normally open output. On this side, this is the common. This will be the normally closed, and this will be the normally open. Okay, so this trick is used in any house in order to again control the same lamp from different location. And I will show the relay in another video, and I will show how it is working. So thank you very much for now.